Most people don't like training legs. It's hard, it's exhausting, and it forces you to push yourself in a way that most workouts don't. So, what do a lot of people do? They avoid it, they skip it, or they do the bare minimum. Instead, they focus on upper body, chest, arms, shoulders, and at first, it doesn't seem like a big problem. Your upper body starts improving, you look better in the mirror, and everything feels fine. But over time, something starts to feel off because your body looks incomplete, unbalanced, and no matter how much you improve your upper body, that imbalance doesn't go away. But here's what most people don't realize. Training legs doesn't just affect your lower body, it affects your entire physique. Let's start with the most obvious reason. Your legs contain the largest muscle groups in your body: quads, glutes, hamstrings. When you train these muscles, you create a massive demand on your body. More muscle activation, more energy used, more overall stimulus. That's why exercises like squats and deadlifts feel so demanding. They don't just train one area, they involve your entire system. And because of that, they create a stronger overall growth signal. Now let's talk about performance. When your legs get stronger, everything improves. Your stability improves, your balance improves, your core gets stronger, and that carries over into your upper body training. Stronger legs often mean stronger squats, better deadlifts, but also stronger presses, stronger pulls, because your entire body is working together more efficiently. Now let's talk about intensity. Leg training forces you to push hard. You can't fake a heavy set of squats. You can't half commit to a real leg workout. And that builds something important: mental toughness, the ability to keep going, even when it's uncomfortable. And that mindset transfers into every other workout. Now let's talk about aesthetics. A strong upper body with weak legs doesn't look complete, it looks unbalanced. But when your legs match your upper body, everything changes. Your physique looks more athletic, more proportional, more impressive. And here's something people often overlook. Training legs increases your total training volume, which means more total work, more calories burned, better overall body composition, and over time, that leads to a leaner, stronger physique. Now here's the reality. Skipping leg day might feel easier, but it limits your progress, not just in your legs, but in your entire body, because you're removing one of the most powerful tools for growth. So if you want real results, not just short-term changes, but long-term transformation, you need to train legs consistently, with effort, with intention, because once you do, everything else starts improving, and that's when your physique truly changes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments if you actually train legs consistently, and I'll see you in the next one.